In this video, you'll learn how to update the Phantom Wallet app on your device. By following these simple steps, you will ensure that you have the latest features and security updates available for your wallet. Begin by locating the application store on your device. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. For iPhone or iPad users, access the App Store. These applications typically have a recognizable icon on your home screen. Next, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Phantom Wallet. Make sure to enter the name accurately to find the correct application. After you enter the name, tap the search button on your keyboard or screen to initiate the search. Once the search results appear, look for the Phantom Wallet app in the list. You will recognize it by its distinct icon. Tap on the app to open its dedicated page, where you can see details about the app, including its latest version and user reviews. On the app page, check for an update button. If this button is visible, it indicates that a newer version of the app is available for download. Tap the update button to begin the process. If you do not see this button, it means your app is already up to date. After tapping the update, you may see a progress indicator showing the download status. Wait for the update to finish installing. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. Once the update is complete, you will typically see a confirmation message, or the button may change to open. Tap this button to launch the Phantom Wallet app and start using the latest version with new features and enhancements.